Ever wondered how to design and market a courier transportation website? In the digital age, a well-crafted website plays a pivotal role in not only attracting new clients, but also retaining the existing ones for your courier transportation business. It's the first impression potential clients get of your brand, and it can either make or break their decision to engage with your services. More so, a streamlined website can simplify operations, making it easier to manage orders, track deliveries, and process payments. A well-designed website is more than just a digital business card. It's a powerful tool that can transform your courier transportation business. Now, what makes a courier transportation website stand out? A top-notch courier transportation website should, first and foremost, feature easy navigation. Like a well-planned city, your website should enable visitors to effortlessly find what they're looking for. This not only saves them time, but also fosters trust in your business. Next, clear information about your services is paramount. This entails detailing what you offer, how you deliver it, and any unique selling propositions. By doing so, you're not just selling a service, you're selling certainty and reliability. The third essential feature is online booking. In today's digital age, customers expect to book services at the click of a button. This convenience can be a game changer in winning over customers. Lastly, a secure online payment system is non-negotiable. It offers customers peace of mind, knowing their financial information is safe with you. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for your customers to use your services. With a well-designed website in place, how do you ensure people find it? As you venture into the world of marketing your courier transportation website, there are 3 key strategies to bear in mind: search engine optimization, social media marketing, and paid advertising. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is all about making your website more visible on search engines. This involves using keywords related to your business and location in your website's content and metadata. Next, we have social media marketing. This is where you promote your services on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. By sharing engaging content and interacting with followers, you can build a loyal community around your brand. Lastly, we have paid advertising. This can be through search engine ads or social media ads, targeting people who are actively looking for courier services. Remember, the goal is to increase your website traffic, convert visitors into customers, and ultimately drive business revenue. Effective marketing is all about getting your website in front of the right people at the right time. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We've delved into the significance of a well-crafted website for your courier transportation business, highlighting the essential features that enhance user experience and streamline operations. We've also explored strategic marketing techniques to elevate your online presence and attract your target audience. Remember, a robust online invoicing and payment system is crucial for seamless transactions. Armed with these tips, you're well on your way to designing and marketing a successful courier transportation website.